Hi, I'm Logan. Thank you for visiting our video. Do you need professional and reliable carpet cleaning services? Our professional team has experience, and we can assure you that you will get the best services. Check out our past work.
If you are looking for a local, reliable and value-packing carpet cleaning service in the Parramatta region, you've come to the right place. We're proud to be the premier service in the area, and our team has years of experience cleaning all types of domestic and commercial carpet types, rugs, and upholstery. We also specialize in pressure washing interior and exterior surfaces. Our company is insured and registered for all property types. From office spaces to lounge rooms, carpets to concrete, we are skilled and equipped to handle all jobs. Our professional carpet cleaning team will get the job done right and on the first time. If you want a quote on your property, contact our team now on 0411725123 or visit our website to get a no-cost, obligation-free consultation.
So I hope you enjoyed our video. To get more information and to contact us, please visit our website.